They told me that I always had to be good, but being good always been problems, it's true. So I learned it, and now I know I don't wanna play, but man, I'm crazy, but I'm wrong, baby, it's true, yeah.
So guys, ready हो गए फाइनली. नाउ पहले हम ब्रेकफास्ट करेंगे, फिर शूट करेंगे. आई विल गिव यू द टूर ऑफ होटल एज वेल एज द रूम. एंड हाँ, पहले हमारा पासपोर्ट, दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट. या तो ये रहा हमारा पासपोर्ट और ये गया हमारी बैग में. चलो, सब कुछ हो गया. अब सिर्फ ब्रेकफास्ट करना है और फिर से ऊपर आना है. आई विल गिव यू द टूर ऑफ द रूम. पहले कार्ड सब है, सब मास्क. Here we have a mask. तो चलिए मिलते हैं डायरेक्ट डाइनिंग टेबल पे. चल.
They told me that I always had to be good, but being good always been problems, it's true. So I learned it, and now I know I don't wanna play, but man, I'm crazy, but I'm wrong, baby, it's true, yeah.
So guys, are you ready for the room tour? So yeah, let's begin. So firstly, here we enter through the long passage. Here we have the washroom area, a big bathtub, a great view from here, good lighting. Let me switch on the lights. That's big mirror and many such toiletries, basic toiletries, and yeah, a mirror for yourself. Washroom area, good and hygienic, very clean and tidy. That's a mirror. Here we have also a mirror and huge wardrobes. Minibar, and here we have a bed, big bed that was very comforting last night. The design looks classy, everything looks neat and tidy. A great sofa, a good sofa to sit on, very comforting. And the view from inside, and the best place which I like the most. Here we have our own comfort zone, a great place to sit and watch the cars moving by the streets of Sheikh Zayed Road. And that's the metro station, which is very close to this hotel, so a good place to stay. And the main part, the intersecting bridges, that's the best part. The Burj Khalifa right in front of me, and all the tall buildings standing sky high. That's the sea view from here. It looks very beautiful at night. So definitely I loved my stay here in Shangri-La. So guys, I can say that I had a great time here in Shangri-La Hotel. So I would definitely recommend you to have a stay here in Shangri-La Hotel. What are your views? Please comment down below, and yeah, also like the video if you are liking the vlogs, as well as subscribe my channel. Follow me on Instagram for the latest update, and yeah, let's continue with the vlog. So now हम अब चेकआउट करने वाले हैं. इट्स 11:30, सो अभी आधा घंटा और है. फिर हम बेसिकली स्टोर करेंगे हमारा लगेज एंड वी विल बी कमिंग बैक आफ्टर स्पेंडिंग आवर डे in Dubai near the Blue Water Island and JBR. So once we are done, we will again come back and then basically transfer to the airport. So that's going to be our day, and also zipline karenge, which is one of the best things which I have ever thought of. So basically this is the first time I'm trying any adventurous activity. इतना ज़्यादा कुछ किया नहीं था मैंने कभी, बट आई हैड द करेज एंड थॉट ऑफ डूइंग इट. एक्चुअली वो जो स्काई डाइव होता है वो एक्चुअली मैंने स्काई डाइव प्लान किया था, बट द बुकिंग इज सो it has to be done in advance, otherwise you will not get the slot. So that's why I could not book the skydive thing. So I had to do I had to choose between skydive and the X-Line Dubai. So I chose X-Line Dubai, and yeah, let's see how it goes. I'm all up for it.